Alright, so while working, I had a bunch of objects, and I wanted to check all of them. I had about, 100 objects or so. I wanted to check all of them for NGons, but they're all separate objects, so it means that I'd have to open up each and every single one of them. So I go into edit mode. I'd have to then go to deselect all faces and then select by sides. And then I could come into here and then select by, greater than 4 sides. So this will select any NGons. And this is how you find NGons in Blender. So I wanted to do this for 90 objects. So this would just take too long. So I created a script here. What it does is it goes through each and every selected object and it basically finds them for you. And then if it finds one, it'll drop you in into edit mode and select it, and it'll take you to it. So what that looks like is select all the objects, and then I go find NGons, and now it's selected this NGon here on this object. So I can see, here you go, that's the NGon. I can, fix it however I want. And then I can go find NGons again. And see, that object's got no NGons now, so we found the next object with NGons, so that's here. So I'll just fix this one too. Join, and then we'll try again. This one's got an NGon, so I'll put that over there, and then we'll go again. And this object's got another NGon, it appears. So we'll go here. And it basically it goes through all your selected objects, and it doesn't matter if you're in edit mode or object mode. I could be, object mode, go find NGons. But right now, we've gone through all the NGons, there's no more. So what's next is, maybe we want to check for tries. So this script works for tries as well, so there you go, it's found some tries on this object. So if we wanted to clean this up, we could remove those. Now we'll find some more tries, and it appears this object's got some tries, so we'll fix those. So now we'll check for tries again, and it appears that none of these objects have any tries. We can check that. I'll just look over the object. So yeah, that has no tries. None of these objects have any tries. We'll check again for NGons, so we'll select them all, find NGons. So there's no NGons and there's no tries. So that's worked perfectly. So if you want the script, it's on GitHub. You can never find stuff in here. There you go. The way this works is basically it checks 4 objects. It takes the list of objects, it goes into each object, sets that object as the active, it clears any pre-existing selections, then it selects by face number, and then it will basically check. So if there's any faces selected, it'll stop the script basically, and it'll focus on the selected faces. So and it, basically it'll go through each object and do that. So if you run the script and then nothing happens, that means you've got no NGons. So you can get it on GitHub. Let me know if you have any problems, and yeah.